Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine. Okay, we are start the first chapter, class 3, subject science, unit 1, the human body, and the topic is human brain. First, I'll read from the book. Your body is like a wonderful machine. Wonderful means good or great. It can do hundreds of different jobs. These jobs are done by different organs and systems. The organs and systems perform different functions, but they all work together. We all know that we have human body. The body has many parts like bones, joints, muscles and organs. But one organ that controls the whole body, that is human brain. What is this? Human brain. The brain is the control center of the body. It controls all systems and organs. It has three parts, that is cerebrum, medulla. First part, it controls memory and thinking, taste, smell, touch, sight and hearing. Cerebrum is the second part. It is part that is present above the medulla. It controls muscles. Medulla is the third part. It controls activities of the heart, stomach, kidneys, etc. And it is a white fatty substance. Here is some important points. Your body is like a wonderful machine. It can do hundreds of different jobs. These jobs are done by different organs and systems. These organs and systems perform different functions, but they all work together. The brain is the control center of the body. Here are words meaning. Wonderful mean good or great. Perform mean something done. Cerebrum, it is the interior portion of the brain. Medulla, a white fatty substance. Let's perform a class activity. Here is the human brain. It has three main parts. First part is cerebrum. It controls memory and thinking, taste, smell, touch, sight and hearing. Second part is the cerebrum. It controls muscles. Third part is medulla. It performs activities of the heart, stomach, kidneys, etc. Okay, open your classwork copies, draw the diagram of the brain and write the three main parts of the brain. This is your home activity. Learn words meaning and the parts of the brain. Thank you students. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe.